I'm Rajeev Kathpalia. I have been uh, practicing as an architect independently since 1987. Our culture, our tradition is of working with nature rather than against. Nature is not something to be conquered, it is something to be a part of. And unlike many cultures which fear nature, ours is a culture that has lived in harmony with it. Smriti means remembrance. One means forest. A forest of remembrance, a forest of memories, a forest of rebirth and resurgence. That is what Smritivan is about. The brief was very simple: plant a tree for each victim. The first thing was, of course, the challenge was to identify how many victims there were. Actually, we found out there were 12,932 victims eventually. Then the question was that if you had to plant a tree, you needed a certain size of land to be able to plant trees for them to thrive. And then this Bhuj or Dungar area, which was the Dungar used to be occupied by the army, which they cleared out now. And so that was available. Slowly that periphery grew from the needed 120 to 200 acres, then 400 acres, and eventually 470 acres was reserved for Smritivan's development.